What's up, guys? Good morning. In typical fashion, I didn't realize when the event started, so now we're in a rush. But I think we're gonna make it on time and make that driver's meeting. So mounting up some tires because maybe it won't rain. We might need some extra rubber. But yeah, we're doing good.
Yeah, today is the drag day at Colorado National Speedway. So we've got this as a backup. And then if you guys saw the previous video, we just fixed this up, put an angle kit on it, welded the diff, did a few other things as well. So should be ready. We've got to do a bunch of loading and get all the tools ready, but we're good.
The layout that took my car up.
Yeah.
Come back.
What's up? I got no idea what's about to happen.
I think it's practice, and then they moved the competition to
Oh
one.
yeah, I know about that, but I mean, there's like, I don't know.
Oh yeah,
I
out
think we
there.
go this way and then like that way. I'll figure it
Who
out.
knows?
No, I
Dude, I'm
seen a
wondering.
picture of it.
I definitely forgot a high-vis vest, so I'm wondering if I can get up in that booth. I brought the long lens.
Yeah, you're fine.
Levi will do that. Worst case, dude, we'll just take this out. Be fine.
There you go.
Variety, and anybody can be a drifter.
How was that?
It's good. So I tried to initiate that time without clutch kicking. It didn't really work. But man, I got enough power to link the whole track, like no problem. Like it's like good.
And with the dude with the angle kit, it looks really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like a fast banana.
I like it
for sure. Do you know where Levi's at?
He's over at the front.
Okay, cool.
You can walk over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
All right.
Later. heard there was drifting here.
Yeah. Figured we'd take you guys along for one simple 6 series.
Yeah.
We got some 225s that are not very tall. So we're gonna have all of the wheel speed. We'll see if we can get 3rd gear in this thing.
Should be fun.
Yeah. Airbag light's new.
Is it?
Yeah. I turned traction control off, so we're good.
Okay. She's drift ready now.
She's drift ready. All right, let's see what she does.
Speed and power, Chris.
Speed and power. Heart's definitely going on this one.
Okay, maybe the 225s are a bit thin.
Yeah, we need more grip.
Yeah. Oh my lord. Yeah, baby. You got it. Oh,
We broadsided the cone.
you got the cone good. Oh my god, going again.
I'm just trying to leave.
You should not be allowed on the racetrack. What was that? Oh man.
I got a lot of tire in my eye.
Yeah, so okay, 225's no moss.
Yeah, we need more grip.
Yeah. I got slidey.
Ooh, hell, slide on it, take your time on it. You a freak, rise on it, put this.
All right, goal, not spin out.
Much better. Didn't spin out either.
Yeah, I don't know.
No,
Alright.
he didn't spin out.
That's enough.
Huh?
So that's enough of this car.
Yeah. But still, that was much improved.
Yeah.
Oh, the G's. The grip.
All right. So line it up. Here we go. Nerves are going. All right, guys, I am back at the shop, and that was an awesome day. I am really impressed with a stock E36. I mean, it's an M3, but you know, stock. Just an SLR kit and a welded diff, and man, we drove the whole day. We never skipped a beat. I think I might actually broke after the competition. I got like another 10 laps in tandem with a few people, and I thought I did fairly well. Car makes me look good. But I think I might have broke the diff bolt at the on the last turn. I was driving with Matt, 6 Berries from Sideways Fab, and it just made a bad noise when I clutch kicked it going into turn 1. So kind of sounded like the drive shaft against the tunnel noise that I experienced at High Plains last time. So I don't know. I just parked it after that. Came home. I'll tear into it again. But I appreciate you guys watching that. I hope Hamish did a good job filming. At the end there, after the competition, he was kind of tired and wasn't feeling it, so he went home. And then I was trying to vlog the rest of it, but then the GoPro died. And anyway, this takes us to this car and actually this car. So my turbo E36 is still in pieces. If you guys don't know, this is the M52 out of it, so we had that melted piston right there, and I think number 2 is also slightly melted, but you can't see it. Anyway, we're going to take this engine, parts off this S50 that was turbo that blew up, and this bone stock M52, and put it all together and put it back in that car. I'm still going to do all that, but I have some parts lying around. I have rods. I'm going to buy some pistons. I have some king bearings. I'm going to get away from the stock build on that. I want it to be a little bit more longevity. So next event is at the end of this month, the 29th and 30th, or 28th and 29th, I think. I don't know. It's a slush meet. It's like more of a festival type thing. There's drifting, drag racing, music, burnout competition, all kinds of fun stuff. I have decided not to rush to get this car done. So I'm going to take the yellow E36 that I took today for the drifting part of it. I am hoping that my E92 will be done by then. We'll see. That might be a push, but we'll see. That might be fun for something. But I would love to get this one done. I'm sure you guys would all love to see this, and I would love to take this on the drag strip there a few times and see what it'll actually do. So instead of getting another E36 done, I'm going to get that done. So that's the car I'm working on there. And still, I don't know where the likes are at. I think we're getting pretty close on the Turbo M20. But yeah, I'll drop stuff and get that one done too. Maybe that could get done in time. I don't think I can get that car done in 2 weeks. But I still want to get that started. So here's the link to that video. But I just think it makes sense that let's do this car. Let's do it right. I want to do the full cage in it, the full throw build. The SLR kit, I think I talked about this, that I put on that yellow M3, I'm going to take off and put on this. This is the SLR mini kit, and this thing made me feel amazing, but that thing was just like a whole nother level. So, but I don't want to mess up the fenders on that car, so I can't run the alignment as aggressive as I want to. Whereas this one, I give zero shits about this. We can hack up the fenders, we can get over fenders, we can wide body it. This car means nothing to me in an aesthetic way, and a VIN wise, this is just some 95 325, whereas that's a 95 Dakar M3, which I don't want to cut up. The BMW cart, which I showed in the last video again, that can take the place of the crappy stock engine E36 drift Hoon vehicle. I'm just going to put a stock M50 in it. I'm not even going to do the head gasket, just going to put head studs in it, small turbo, and we'll just see what it'll do. So I think that's a better approach than this car, because I really don't want to blow this one up again. This thing was amazing. It was great at everything, and I'd like to make it just a little bit better at everything, and maybe even just a little bit more reliable. So that's where I'm at. We got some Patreon messages about you guys miss us. I'm sorry, I've just been swamped. Just trying to get some bills paid that I alluded to a few months ago. I'm just about there. So we can pick up back up with more content instead of me just busting my ass all day to make money. I'm still gonna have to do that though. YouTube and all this social media stuff doesn't quite pay my bills yet. We need to upload more for you guys. And yeah, and Will's still in California. Not an excuse there, but we're just all better when we're together. So we push each other to succeed. So we'll get the gang back together.